Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find birthday settings on your account center, on your accounts on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings. Now here you will find personal details, click on it. Here as you see you will find personal details, click on it. And here you will find your birthday information, click on it. Here as you see you will find your birthday settings, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.